Welcome to What's Broken. Got something a little different today. It's my Mazda truck, the driver's seat. Something's been protruding since I bought it, and the other day, it's happened a couple of times, where I'll sit in it and something's sort of pushing out and then it pops or lets go. So I'm not sure what it is, and that's what I'm going to hopefully find out. So to start, let's see if I can figure out how this thing comes apart. I suspect it shouldn't be too hard. Just got to find the right tool. Okay. There's sort of, the plastic sort of fits into a channel. Huh. Well, that part wasn't bad. I don't know what is all involved in this. Oh, looks like Velcro. The front's sort of held on with Velcro. Something sharp back there. Oh. Just peel it up as far as I need to. So it appears, let me try and readjust this tripod and get you in a better position. Okay, maybe that shows it a little better. Kind of appears that the bottom of these two down supports for the back support were tack welded, and the welds broke. This might not be that big a repair, because I'm thinking just a couple of heavy duty, maybe two on each side, zip straps, or maybe some wire. Let me see what maybe even a couple of hose clamps. Might fit around there. I don't know if I have any. Let me see what I have in my stash and I'll turn you back on in a minute. I'll cut that one. Looks like this broke. I don't know if there's much I can really do about that. Also looks like there's a couple of channels, so I think I'll put 4 or 6. Wonder if I can cross tie this broken one a little. Maybe help hold it in place a little better. What would we do without Velcro and zip straps? Yeah, that might hold that a little bit. Maybe I'll put 2 more of those wide ones and then a couple of skinny ones through the little pockets, and then strap this back where it was. So I got a couple of skinnier ones. I'll try to feed those through. Where's a pick? Whoops. The package said each one of these zip straps is good for 50 pounds, so combined I should have enough for 300 pounds. There's something there. I'll maybe come in at an angle around this piece that goes down. And then I'll strap this cable back into place. Well, I think that's a little better than it was. Pull the cover back over it. Other than a little tear, everything looks good again. Kind of tuck these corners back under, I guess. And try to fit this plastic channel back together. I think the trick will be just getting it started. Well, that wasn't too bad. Push these back in and the Velcro should meet. Then I'll hop in and see how it feels. Oh, much better lower back support. I think that'll feel way better for driving. Okay, well that was a short one. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you found the same problem with your seat, it's not a hard fix. Alright, we'll maybe catch you on the next one. See you later. Have a great day.